Antihelminthic drugs. Antihelminthics are class. Antihelminthics. But first of all, helminthics are classified as platyhelminthics and nematodes. And platyhelminthics are also classified as castode and trematodes. So, castode are the tapeworms, but the trematodes are the flukes. So, when we look at the trematode and cascode, there is all of the organism is sensitive to the pharyngeal. So, drug of choice for all for the pharyngeal. So, when we look at the example of this castode are tapeworm are Taenia solium, Taenia sinata, Hymenopsis nana, and Diphalobothrium latum. So Taenia solium is a pork tapeworm, and Taenia saginata is beef tapeworm, and when we look Hymenopsis nana is the dwarf tapeworm, and this one is Diphalobothrium latum is fish tapeworm. So these are the common name. When you look the trematodes trematodes, these are example are the schistosomia are the blood flukes, and the paragonimus paragonimus is the long flukes. So when you look at the drug of choice, so first of drug of choice is the pharyngeal for this. Then after the second drug is the nicosamide, and exception in the pharyngeal is not used in the castode like Echinococcus granulosus, or also known as dog tapeworm or the hydatoids. So when you look at this organism, there is a drug of choice for the albendazole, and hematobium is sensitive to the metrioformate, and the monsoni is the oxaminoquinion. So when in the neurocytocercosis is the Taenia solium, neurocytocercosis is Taenia solium. So drug of choice is albendazole. Also, if there is a pre-prophylaxis, so there is a corticosteroid used, and post-prophylaxis there is corticosteroid also used. So albendazole with the corticosteroids are used. Trematodes, fascicola hepatica, liver flukes. Drug of choice is tricla bendazole. And regarding the nematodes is a drug of choice for the albendazole, and the Ascaris lumbricoides, roundworm, nectar, and encyclotoma, hookworm. Regarding the Enterobius, pinworm, Trichoris, whipworm, Trichinola, pocum. These all are sensitive to the albendazole. There are exceptions. So guinea worm is sensitive to metronidazole. So Dracunculus is sensitive for the metronidazole. There is a strongyloids or threadworm, or Onchocerca volvulus. Onchocerca volvulus is river blindness disease, which are sensitive to the ivermectin. Filarial worm is a Wucheria bancrofti, Wucheria and a Burga. It's a drug of choice for diethyl carbamazine, but not effective on the larva and the adult. So it is add-on drug with the ivermectin and albendazole only for the larva. Diethyl carbamazine only kill the larva and adult. So there is also albendazole only for the larva. Classification: when you look at the MOA based classification, there is a microtubule inhibitor, benzimidazole, albendazole. Muscle paralysis, protozoan, pharyngeal, paralyzed pharyngeal, parantal, palmates, and levamisole, ivermectin, moxidectin, piperazine. These are the spastic. This cause pharyngeal, parantal, palmate, and levamisole cause spastic paralysis of the organism. But this ivermectin, moxidectin, piperazine, called flaccid paralysis. Antihelminthic drugs are the for round hookworm and pinworm. For round worm, hookworm. Albendazole, mebendazole, pranziquintal, pyranzapine, levamisole. Then there is a for the whipworm, trichinella, asparalis, albendazole, mebendazole. For the third worm, ivermectin, albendazole. For the filariasis, diethylcarbamazole, ivermectin, albendazole. Tape 1, pranziquintal, niclosamide, albendazole. For the tape 1, pranziquintal, niclosamide, albendazole. For the hydrated disease, albendazole, mebendazole. In this choice of drug for the helminthes. For the roundworm or ascaris lumbricoid, there is a first choice of drug, mebendazole, and pranziquintal. The alternative, piperazine, levamisole, and ivermectin. Regarding hookworm, encyclostoma, duodenale, encyclostoma, or nectar americana. Hookworm, encyclostoma, duodenale, and nectar americans. There is a pranziquintal, mebendazole. Then there is a levamisole, pranziquintal, pinworm, interbius, oxyos, vermiculus. There is first choice of drug, pranziquintal, mebendazole, and albendazole. But the second choice of drug is piperazine. Third one, strongyloids, estorcoralis. This is ivermectin. First choice albendazole, second choice albendazole. For whipim, trichos, mebendazole, albendazole. Trichinella aspiralis, albendazole, mebendazole. For filariasis, Wucheria penicrophta, malaria, diethylcarbamazepine, ivermectin, albendazole. Cutaneous larva migrans, Encyclostoma canium, albendazole, ivermectin. First choice of albendazole, then second choice of ivermectin. Regarding the tapeworm, there is a tapeworm, Taenia saginata, Taenia solium, Hemanulus, Nana Hemanulus. All are first choice of pranziquintal, then second choice nicosamide, albendazole. For the neurocystic zero basic, there is albendazole, and second choice of pranziquintal, albendazole. Neurocystic zero basic, albendazole. First choice albendazole, then second choice of pranziquintal. Hydrated disease, echinococcus granulosa multilocularis, albendazole, then mebendazole. Regarding the benzimadazoles, pranziquintals. Okay, I'll show you about this. Benzimidazoles, MOI bind to the beta tubular microtubules, albendazole, these are benzimadazoles are contain albendazole, mebendazole. Brand spectrum of antihelminthics, microsporidium with the microsporidium for the mechanism treatment is the fumaglin, albendazole. Then there is the triclabendazole, drug of fascicular hepatica. Then advantage of kill the both larva and adult larva. Pharmacokinetic oral bioavailability is low, contact pregnancy given in children, mebendazole given is less than 2 years. And there is mebendazole given for the less than 2 years, and more than less than 1 year. There is a albendazole 1 to 2 year 200 mg, and more than 2 year 400 mg. Cited by hypersensitivity, hepatotoxicity, and bone marrow suppression, aplastic anemia. It's also called aplastic anemia. Regarding pranziquintal, MOI, spastic paralysis, open calcium channel, open state of calcium channel paralysis. Then open the calcium channel, and drug of choice is Kestrod. For this pranziquintal, Kestrod and Tomato, contagious ocular cysticercosis. Treat ivermectin, flaccid paralysis, cause flaccid paralysis, and open glutamate channel, and helminthic. Estrangulates oncocerca do not affect on adults. So the iodine drug is iodine filaria worm is diethylcarbamazepine. Diethylcarbamazepine rapid killing, majority like reaction, contraindicated in pregnancy, less than 5 years also, and more than 15 years of the if the weight is less than 15 kg of the weight, there is also contraindication. And contraindication in pregnancy less than 5 years of the age of the children or the weight of the less than 15 years. Then diethylcarbamazepine MOA is not till now, and there is in vitro arachnoid acid pathway. So the drug of choice is filarial, loa kill the adult larva microfilaria. And then the dose is the 6 mg per kg per day for the 12 days. Regarding other medicines, levamisole, metformin, nicotinamide, oxazamine, quinone, and praziquantel. So this is levamisole, it is banned due to the respiratory paralysis, open nicotinic sodium channel, and also treatment for the scaris lumbricoid. And there is a stimulation of the T cell immunity, anti-cancer. There is the metformin, schizostomia, hematobium, nicotinamide, oxazamine, quinone. These are the add-on drug with the praziquantel. Drug of choice is Castoda is the praziquantel, but schizostomia it is used in the schizostomia, hematobium, and also schizophrenia.